There you go. Alright, you got it. Making a little gravel parking lot for my doctor here. Go ahead, go forward. It's my daughter. Learn how to run it. First time. You're doing good. Skid steers are hard to run when you first try because everything's kind of jerky, but the girls do good at this. Alright, come up with it. Come up with it all the way. Come on. The other one, go back, yeah. Try the other pedal. The other pedal. The other pedal. You gotta go back. There you go. Go ahead, right up. Go ahead, you got it. There you go. Up, up, up. Up. Go up higher. Higher. There you go. Keep going. Go up higher. There you go. Back up. Back up. You got it. Now come forward. Come forward. Over this way. Come forward. Alright, you got it. Come on forward, come on forward, come on forward. Okay, let it down. Let it down. Down, down, down. And tilt it this way more. Okay, she's getting it. Okay, yeah, look at that. She's going it flat. You're making it flat, see? You're making it flat. Okay, good. She did it. Okay. Yeah, she'll be good at it. Yeah. It's in your blood. Okay.